Hello everyone, today we come to Densen Water Glass and Silica Sol Foundry, which is established in 1997. The main process we provide are silica sol casting, water glass casting, silica sol and water glass mix casting to satisfy different customers' requests. At here, we can provide complete process from pattern design casting, heat treatment, machining, surface treatment by self. Now let's take a look at our workshop.
This is our mold making area, where machines with up to 15,000 revolutions per minute will make the molds for each product wax pattern. This is our wax pattern making area. Workers put the processed metal molds into the wax injection machine. Then the machine injects wax into the molds, and after cooling and molding, they can be sent to the next step of the process.
After the wax molds are completed, we will trim and grind them. They will remove the burrs and sharp edges if the wax mold is defective. The workers will repair the wax pattern with a special repair wax, and we will also check the dimensions in this process to make sure they are qualified.
Next, the wax models will be grouped, and the number of group trees varies depending on the size and weight of the product.
Hi, this is the shell making process. Let's take a look. This is a container for the liquid mixed with silica sol and zirconium powder. Behind me is a sand spraying machine. First, put a wax pattern into the liquid mixed with silica sol and zirconium powder. Take it out and put it into the sand spraying machine for a sand shower. At this time, the surface of wax pattern is evenly covered with zirconium sand. Depending on the requirements of the product, this procedure will be performed 3 to 8 times to obtain different hardness of the shell.
Behind me is the water glass automatic molding line. It contains automatic dipping, automatic sanding, and automatic dip aluminum chloride. First, molds are automatically dipped here. This slurry is a mixture of water, glass, and clay, then sand dripping on the surface. The liquid is aluminum chloride or ammonium chloride, which acts as a hardening effect. Then the shells are forced to air dry and can only be coated once it has completely dried. The automatic production line can save labor and increase production efficiency.
After sand spraying, wax pattern will be dried in the next room. The temperature inside the room has been controlled at 25 degrees, and the humidity has been maintained at 50%. Workers will record the temperature and humidity of the room 3 times a day. During the drying time, the unqualified shells will be found in time and recorded in the record book.
After the drying for 24 hours, the wax pattern can be dewaxing. This is a dewaxing machine to do the dewaxing and get the shell mold. Hello everyone, behind me is the baking furnace, and these are the shells after baking. Hello everyone, now we are at the pouring process. The furnace temperature behind me can reach 1600 degrees. And the capacity can reach 450 kilograms. The workers now pouring the molten metal into the models.
after shaking sand shell. We need to do the after treatment. We have cutting, polishing, welding, etc. to fix some product defects. This is our shot blasting center. We put our products into those machines. Use shot to grind the casting after cooling.
This is our heat treatment area where our products will be quenched, annealed, normalized and tempered. Over here are our box-type furnaces and pit-type tempering furnaces.
This is our metal material inspection room. This equipment is used to perform tensile tests. It can measure tensile and yield strengths. And this one is for impact experiments. Besides, we can also provide UT, PT, and mount tests.
Now we are at our machining area. We have CNC machines, NC lathe, milling machine, grinding machine to meet clients' needs. Let's have a look.
Made by Densen, loved by the world.